Well, the world is still in awe this morning of a stunning new picture. Scientists capturing the first image of a black hole. Now we're learning more about the woman behind it. MIT graduate Katie Bowman helped create the algorithm used by the telescope to capture this image. The 29-year-old began making the computer program about 3 years ago while in school. And joining us now with more is Derek Demeter. He's the planetarium director at Seminole State College. Derek, good morning. Thanks for coming in today.
Always great to be here.
So I know this is right down your alley. When you look at what this picture means for scientists who study this, what's your reaction to that?
Well, it's taken over 20 years to develop this image, and for the longest time we've always wondered what a black hole looks like. And mathematics and theoretical physics have had speculated what it looked like, but this is the first time ever we've actually seen one, and we noticed that it matched up pretty perfectly.
So no big surprise based on what you expected?
No big surprise, but it's just amazing to actually see it with your eyes.
And as you know as well as anyone, we learn so much about space and outer space, and we have these images. And then does this change anything moving forward about what we know or about what we expect to see in the future?
Well, it definitely allows us to, the technology specifically allows us to capture more higher resolution detail and eventually start looking for other black holes and other galaxies, and just learning more about how the theory of relativity works, Einstein's theories, and trying to get a better understanding of how the gravitational attraction of black holes and the various different specifics of black holes works. This is just the beginning.
The fact that this took years to make it happen, it's pretty impressive that this finally all came together.
Yeah, I mean, it's a collaboration with all kinds of different countries around the world, 8 specific different telescopes from around the world, and just, again, collaboration of scientists, engineers, computer model. I mean, it's pretty impressive.
What do you hear back from students when they see something like that? It's one thing to hear about it, it's another thing to see the image.
I mean, it kind of flooded our, we've been posting about it, and just people are losing their minds about it, and then also inspiring people to go into the field of astrophysics and continue on the legacy and work on, finding more and learning more about it.
It is a fascinating field and fascinating images. Derek, appreciate you coming in today and giving us your insight and expertise.
Oh, my pleasure to be here.